Well, hello YouTube, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be opening another Marvel trading cards product. Yeah, I've had the itch for a while now, but these are not easy to get, at least where I live, and also for kind of a humane price. So I always am on the lookout, and in this case, I managed to grab one of those, and I really wanted to rip those Marvel Annual. I think for regular, not high-end trading cards, I think these are kind of the best actually. So let's see what we have here. It's 21-22. I'm always late because mostly I just like money enough to save money. So I'm mostly waiting for these to go down a bit or pick them up for bargain. But yeah, these were pretty stable in pricing, so I pulled the trigger on this. Mm, I like the product to say, yeah, let's look back at the year and what kind of happened, what stood out. And for me, I read these still, and for me, this is all always a trip down memory lane. And let's see if we agree or we don't. I mean, again, it's two years old now, old news, but there will be cool artwork in here. We do have one premium insert per pack. I'm not sure on the premium, but there's an insert there on average, of course. So if you don't have them, upperdeck will tell you, well, it's on average. Yeah. I like opening upperdeck product. I think it's pretty decent, but mostly I'm looking for sports or TCG stuff. So not really able to open a lot, but I like this. I picked this up and wanted to share with you. So may contain sensitive redemptions. I hope not. I really hope not. So let's see if we face this problem or not. So we have a lot of variations, so hologram, crystal clear. So these are numbered, right? Base set parallels. We do have one-on-ones in the set. Not bad here. Premium inserts, star rookies. I would like one of those. And we do have a tiered numbered. So we are, of course, looking for tier number 4 to 99. Some high level inserts here. Let's see how many. So it's 16 packs per box. So the 1 to 16, we are guaranteed. Splash tickler. So there's also some super short prints to 256. Not sure if we will get this, but no worries here. This is just for fun and maybe add some cool pieces to the PC and mostly go down memory lane. So as always with these, I will try to at least guess the artist and butcher names left and right. So please bear with me and be kind. Nope. There you go. I don't know why this was there. So these are our packs. I will take them out here, divide them into two so we will have a smoother rip. So there's some styrofoam in here. Not sure why they do that. Yeah, I mean, I mean styrofoam. Yeah, not going to float today. So these are our packs. Of course, we have the King in Black artwork. Was a decent crossover and pretty good one actually. I think Ryan Stegman artwork. So we do have 5 cards per pack. And yeah, before I start, please consider subscribing. It is free and helps me grow the channel. So appreciate it, and let's get into it. First pack. And this is flying open, so it's not really crimped. So yeah, not sure on that. So these are our base cards. Yelena, the number is on front. As always, Winter Guard, I would like to have some artist credits. They don't have to. It's, I mean, Marvel owns the artwork, but I think it would be decent. And as usual, I'm not really into reuse, recycled artwork, but for these kind of products, it definitely makes sense. I like it. Silk, Shang-Chi, Annual Impact. So this is a regular insert. We do have Mantis Silver, Guardians. So they even have some statistics here. I don't know why, but it's a neat addition. So we have a Silver and we have a She-Hulk. Looks like Ed McGuinness, right? We have a She-Hulk here from Jason Aaron's Avengers one. So not bad. Not sure if this is a good start, but these packs are not really crimped here. I mean, this also means the cards aren't. Black Winter. Already forgot, so this could be Nick Klein. So one base card, so let's see quickly. So we do have two base on the back. So Sunfire, could be Nick Bradshaw. We do have Jessica Jones. We do have #1 spot live story. So the Zdarsky, it was kind of neat. And this is just a regular insert. Here we have a variant, so it's always good to add this. I don't know the name, but this is not a glossy card. I like this, and I think they have removed the background. So yeah, I like it, and also it's good to have, you know, the variants, the name of the variant, because, you know, sports cards is getting crazy. And if you pull a parallel, then you always have to wonder what it's called. So let's see if we can pick this up here. Spider-Man, of course, you need Spidey. Nick Spencer, Spidey, so could be Ryan Otley. Just guessing here. White Fox, didn't read these much. Aaron Fisher, so it's #1. I guess these are numbered alphabetically. #1 spot, Laras, X-Men. Not bad, and I'm just astounded. It's been 4 years already since this came out. So for me, this is still pretty new. But I'm lagging behind anyway. So Black Panther also variant without background. And on non-glossy stock, I like these. Not sure why. So this is also flying off. So we do have something flashing there. Gilgamesh, updated version, looks like Todd Knock, at least the background. Thanos, Joshua, Moon Knight, the Jet McKay one. Yeah, still waiting on reading this. Ordered the Omni, so I really want to dig in. So not trying to poker or pork. Okay, it's not that bad. Remember this one out of the X-Men comics. So it's a Star Rookie. I'm good here, and we do have looks like a playing card because we have round edges of Thor. Is this something? Backscatters. Peel here. It's a sticker. No, I won't peel it. Sorry, upper deck. Won't do it. But yeah, we do have a Star Rookie. These are numbered, or this is the regular one. But I mean, rookie cards, for me at least for the sports openings, always have a special spot. So I will continue this here. And yeah, maybe this is a thing. to have rookie cards. Of, I mean, the first cards make sense, but yeah, rookie, calling them rookie cards, it's a bit weird, but I like weird. So Storm also looks like Pepe. Captain Britain. I'm blanking on the artist. I know him though. We have Doc Ock. Also looks like Todd Knock, the background a bit. No, it's not. Um, Not sure if it's Ramos, but Doc Ock, really old school. I like him. We do have a Sinister War #1 spot, so I remember this one. Nick Spencer was doing a great job on ASM. Looks like Brian Hitch artwork to me. And Shang also as a variant. Could be Lionel Francis Yu artwork. Not bad. Moving on. So we have one base here. Human Torch. And this was the Zdarsky miniseries on the back. I like the Spider-Man one better. Icarus, Assad, Ribbage, right? Anoli, I like the character. So, Humble Beginning, Silver Surfer. Yep, absolutely. This is how he started out. This is how it's going. And it's neat to have this kind of evolution card. I'll take it. We have a Drex one, Silver. So, seems to me like we will be getting all of the Guardians here. Guaranteed. It's only a handful missing. And I still haven't read this run yet. Not sure on who the artist is. So Loki, I guess Al Ewing Loki looks a bit like Imonen. Valkyrie dropped out of the series also. And we have Penance. So I'm trying to remember what happened here in the X-Core issues. Again, one of the Humble Beginnings. I like these. So I could get into collecting this set. Okay. So for me, lenticular cards. I'm a 90s kid, at least for trading cards, stuff like that. Lenticular is, I mean, nothing much is happening here, but for me, this is, high level collecting. I know it's not. Also, acetates, and this is for me. If I get an acetate or lenticular, I'm good. But mostly they aren't worth anything. Let's see. We still have some room here. But I like this. Splashticular. I like it. So Sam Wilson, Cap, Craven, at least Bagley's on the back, but there's no Bagley artwork. Cersei. We have Death of Doctor Strange. I remember reading this, so Jed McKay is still doing his thing on Doctor Strange. Haven't been able to get into it. We do have Zora Vukovic variant. I remember her. So this should be Lorocca, I guess. So the Cantwell Doom series, which wasn't bad. Oh, half of the box down. And say hi to Mr. Fantastic. We have Wolfsbane, Rodriguez. We do have Arrow. Looks also like you to me, Lena Francis. You could be wrong. So also, I mean, there's a lot of mutant characters. Not really sure on most of them. Gamma Flight, yeah, I didn't like that, but also is covered by you. So #1 spots seems like we are getting a lot. So I expected this to be, sparkly. What's going on here? Ultimatum, I remember this from, I think it was Miles, yeah. Garen, I guess, was the artist here. Pepe, Magneto, Chichetto, Daredevil. So we do have a Storm, and I guess this is Russell Dauterman. Annual Impact. I like these also, but Kang says hi. So now Kang is part of the Guardians because he has a sparkly card. So Doctor Strange with the mean mug. Ghost Spider. We do have Gertrude. I've read this Rainbow Rowell, but I'm blanking on the artist. Sorry for that. Number one spot, Heroes Return. I wasn't too keen on this one. But yeah, this happened and looks like you also. So you did a lot of cover work in 21. And Danny Moonstar variant, also Rod Reese, I think. Hickman and Reese. Yep. So let's see what we have in this pack. Onslaught. Namor. No, that's not Stigman, right? Or is it? Maybe. It could be, though, yeah. But not his cover artwork. We have Somnus Star Rookies. Who's this guy? And we do have Captain Marvel, Silver, they are called. But, you know, she's at least been on the Guardians, so I'll take it. So Somnus, not really sure. Of course, an X-Men character. And I've read this run, but I'm blanking on him. So not the best rookie class, right? So far. Echo. And I low-key like the series. I know I will get into trouble. Could be McGinnis, Cap. We have Groot here. I like Groot. Who doesn't? The Marvels. Also, I mean, I was looking forward to this, but yeah, not so much. Wasn't my cup of tea. Alex Ross cover is always good, but that is it for me. Rogue variant, Pepe Larraz. 3 packs to go. So let's see if we can hit something here. So far we have a sticker and we have, of course, I mean, lenticular. I like it. So speaking of acetate, so let's go with this card for Spider-Woman. Festus, also Assad. So one of the Eternals. Looks like could be Humberto Ramos, Polaris. So we do have a humble beginnings of Doctor Strange. From here to there. I like Doctor Strange. So, and this is a numbered one. I'll take it. 20 or 3.99. Suspended animation. Okay, we were looking for the 99, but it's right in the middle, right? The others were 6.99. I'll take it, but you won't be able to see much because of the red background. So, this seems to be our box hit. I'm not mad about that. I like Miles, so I'm good. So, Philavel, Wolverine, Ross, Star-Lord, and I'm not sure on how many these are. Avengers, Tech on Avengers. Yeah, okay. So they really, you know, were diligent on these. Avengers Tech on, I don't know if I've read it. So here you are. So it's 19. Not sure on how good we did here. We have Lady Sif variant. And our final pack. Fingers crossed. Okay, spoiled it already. Franklin Richards, Banham, Cleaner. We do have Steve Rogers, Doug Braithwaite, right? No, it's not. Blanking on the name here. Egerton, yeah. And our final one, it is a Guardian, so Rocket, Silver. So still a few missing, but I don't mind. So let's give you a quick recap. And of course, let's start with our star rookies. Nothing much to write home here. I remember this one from the Sword of X crossover, but that's it. Not expecting to see much of both of them. I will look into who else was in the set, and but I'm not really sure if it gets better here. So we do have our silvers, which is quite neat. So Kang is the odd one out, but yeah, he will join the Guardians next. You've heard it here first because he has a silver card, but I like those. Yep, not bad. So we do have one sticker. And of course, if I would ask, then everybody should tell me, of course, I need to stick this to my desk or something. I won't. Nothing here. So these are the inserts, but we do have one beautiful lenticular one. Eternals. So maybe this is a whole cover. No, it's a splash. Not easy to make out. And this is our biggest card. Number to 399, but it's beautiful. So I wouldn't mind getting some of these. Well, decent acetate. I'm always a sucker for those. So I've had fun. Pretty decent products. I will be on the lookout for other ones. I'm really glad I'm able to rip some upper deck stuff. So I've missed this. And yeah, not the best box if you ask me, but it was decent. And you know, this, at least for me personally, this takes care of the box. So again, thanks for joining. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and I will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.